Title: A Moment in the Rain. The girl stands under the bus stop shelter, watching the rain. The boy arrives, shaking water from his hair. Girl internal monologue. Why is my heart racing? He's just a boy from class. Boy softly, slightly awkward. Hey. Forgot your umbrella again? A friendly, slightly hesitant tone. Girl blushing, surprised. Why yeah, I always forget. A bus rushes past. Splashing water near them, she instinctively steps closer. They walk side by side, sharing her umbrella. They stop in front of her house. Girl softly, thank you. Boy smiling warmly, anytime. He takes a step back, waves softly, and turns to leave. She watches him walk away, her cheeks flushed, eyes soft. Sometimes, love begins with a simple kindness and a shared umbrella. A soft, creamy, and happy tone.